Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, yesterday we had a sharply lower soybean and wheat market. Corn bounced a little bit. Overnight prices are still on the defensive. We've got beans down about 9 cents and corn and wheat down about 5 to 6 cents. Outside markets, the dollar's a little higher, and commodities for the most part are a little bit lower. Overnight we did see our first private estimate of the U.S. corn and soybean crop based on October 1st conditions. The USDA will be out with their numbers on October 11th. The corn number was a little bit higher than what most people had thought. We've seen some gains in Minnesota, Iowa, and Illinois that the trade may not be expecting. It wasn't a big difference in the crop, but I think most people have been leaning on the crop was going to get smaller. The soybean crop was a big jump, almost 200 million bushels more than the USDA's September number, and you had big increases in Minnesota, South Dakota, Iowa, and even Illinois. The market's now been fishing for a bottom for the last month or so, and it probably will see continued weakness if other private estimates are as high and if the government confirms on October 11th that the crop is bigger. The key now for soybean prices, though, is will the demand that's been supposedly rationed because of the smaller U.S. crop come back and actually absorb the higher supply. This would suggest a post-harvest rally if the demand increases and offsets the higher production number. Not much in wheat. We'll be watching a Canadian update on their wheat crop. The bigger number might be their canola crop, which is expected to be lower than their August estimate. Export sales, we expect beans and meals to be good numbers, but with a steep discount in export prices out of South America, corn sales will probably still remain low. Wheat sales, probably not a lot there. We're seeing most of the export business of late done out of the Black Sea and Europe. So again, overnight prices continue to be a little lower. We're working our way through harvest. We're working our way into the October 11th crop report, and given the mood and some of the chart action, looks like prices will continue to trend a little bit lower. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services or ADM, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
I think there will be some concerns about Fed independence. You're able to address that, and clearly the Fed really wants to be perceived as independent and doing the right thing each month.